So in this question, we have a predator moves in a circle of radius root 2, centered at 0.0, while a prey moves along the line y equals to x. If x is between 0 and 2, at what point or points will they meet? Okay, so in this question, we have that a predator is moving in a circular path. So let's try to represent this in, okay, we have a predator moving in a circular path. Let's just try to represent that. Let's say we have something like this for the path of that predator. And it was stated that the prey is moving on a straight line y equals to x. You recall that the general equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c. If you compare this with what we have, y is equals to x. It means in this case, the constant here is 0. That is, the intercept on the vertical axis is 0, and the slope is simply 1. So meaning, what we have in this specific case is that, let's draw our axis. Let's say this is the y-axis. Okay. Let's say this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Okay, because the question says the circle has its center at 0, 0, 0, 0. So it means this straight line is, this other line is just a line passing through the center of the circle, starting from here. Okay. So we want to find the point where the prey is moving in this axis, while the predator is moving in this in a circle. So it means for them to meet, okay, we can still extend this line. For them to meet, it means they will either meet at this point or at this point. So we need to find the coordinates of that point. So in a nutshell, we want to solve the equation of a circle and equation of a straight line simultaneously. So the equation of a circle, equation of a circle, okay, with center 0, 0 is simply x squared plus y squared equals to r squared, where r squared is the radius of that circle. Okay, so and we have the equation of the line to be y equals to x. So all we need to do is to solve this equation simultaneously. And to solve this equation simultaneously, since x and y are the same, we can just replace y with x, so that we can have x squared plus, since x is the same as y, so we can just have x squared equals to r squared. And luckily the radius was given, so it means we have 2x squared equals to square root of 2 all squared. And this is 2x squared equals to 2. Square root of 2 squared is 2. So here we say that our x is going to be the square root of plus or minus 1. Okay, the square root of plus or minus 1, which is the same thing as plus or minus 1. Okay, let's just come up here. It means since we know that our x is plus or minus 1, and y is exactly x, it means y also is going to be plus or minus 1. Okay, so meaning the coordinates is either the coordinate of these 2 points is 1, 1, or minus 1, minus 1. Okay, and the only answer that satisfies that in this question is option A. So meaning that at a coordinate of 1, 1, the predator will meet the prey. So that's the end of that solution.